Hello friends, my name is Michel Norte. I'm from Alicante Real Estate. Today I will show you a beautiful townhouse only 300 meters away from the Los Locos beach. We're right in the center here of the beautiful Torrevieja. Let me show you guys this beautiful townhouse that we have with 3 floors. First ground floor with the terrace downstairs. Then we have a small balcony in the middle and a big solarium as well. Let me show you guys. Follow me. Soon as we come in here, as you can see, you have a small little terrace here. So even if you want to be outside, you can be here with these beautiful flowers that they planted right here. Or even in the winter time, if you want to have a little bit chilly, a little bit more cool, then you can sit in here and have a beautiful dinner or breakfast. As soon as we walk inside to the apartment, everything that you see right now is total renovated. So everything got done in December and is perfect for renting. So as you can see, all the white goods, everything here, it looks very nice and neat, and it's actually ready to move in right now. Follow me, let me show you guys a little guest bathroom that they made here as well. As soon as you walk upstairs now to the second floor, here is where we have the main bathroom. And then we also have a guest room right here with some built-in wardrobes as well. And then as soon as you come inside here, it's the main bedroom. You have a fan as well over here. And then as soon as we're up here, you have a beautiful terrace up here. So if you want to sit here as well, of course, take a nice, beautiful coffee and start the day good. Let me show you guys the best right here. Follow me. As soon as we come up here, this is what I love the most. This beautiful terrace. Something that the owners did here, which is really good because we don't have so much storage over here in Spain. So they actually built out, as you can see, inside here. So you can have even some water things for the pool or even for the beach. Let me tell you the most exciting part here. We have 2-bedroom apartment, 2 bathrooms, 64 square meter in the center of Torrevieja, 300 meters to the beach. We have 3 swimming pools here, communal pools. And you also have parking that is outside here, that is for everyone here that lives in the community. So if this is something for you and you would love to see this beautiful townhouse, don't hesitate. I will put my number right here and give me a phone call. And I will see you guys in sunny Spain. Adios.